Well, folks, here we are, and this is a massive hole saw, and most people, they will jerk pretty hard, a big hole saw will. This is a 6-inch, I think. We're gonna go up here and cut this hole for this can light. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You do gotta be careful. That one?
Yep.
Well, you gotta make sure you're in a good position to drill. That's important. Try to keep it to where it don't hit you right in the face if it jerks. So while we're doing this, we're trying not to cut this wire in two also. And so far we're making it. There we go. I don't know where the other one's at. And sometimes I don't wear safety glasses and stuff, but with this here, it's important to wear your pair of safety glasses.